Today I want to talk of top 5 GitHub repository of the week. In the field of artificial intelligence, we are seeing a latest update. Various types of GitHub repositories are going very much popular in various fields. If you're new to my channel, do focus you subscribe because I'm putting regularly AI related videos on my channel. So by subscribing, you can be a part of it. Let's dive into it and discuss. Number one, Hyperframe. Hyperframe, it is just similar to remotion. If you have used just by HTML, CSS and JavaScript, you can easily build a various type of animated videos. You can see on your screen, here is the example. You can easily launch any type of video just by a text prompt, and you can use any type of LLM models for building your own custom videos like Cloud Code or ChatGPT. And you can easily get up to resolution 1080p as well as duration up to 50 seconds. That is completely insane, and you can easily install with Node.js 22 version and above. And this has capabilities to use just a plain HTML, CSS, JavaScript and build various beautiful animated videos. If we talk about the stars it has recently launched, so it doesn't have a huge amount of stars on GitHub. If we talk about number two, that is scraping. Basically, it is a type of scraping library which scrape the web and extract the data. If you are building any type of if you want a data from a web, or you're building a type of LLM for a specific dataset, you should definitely prefer scraping. It is a type of Python framework which is used for installing and assessing the web data, web scrolling, and easily you can assess the data with filter according to your use case, and it can easily extract the data from any type of data which we are using from the web. Here is the code they have provided. You can easily use this scripting model in Python, and you can easily install it. And as compared to other scrape frameworks, this scraping is performing pretty well, and it is completely, data set is completely accurate, and it can easily filter the document object models dataset like HTML text. If we talk about our number three, that is Dreamlight. A image generation model which can easily generate a high quality image and easily edit also. If we talk about this Dreamlight, what makes this model very much powerful as well as very much efficient, that this model just is around 0.39 billion parameters, so approximately 390 million parameters. That is completely insane. One of the most lightweight model for generating image and editing. You can easily use this type of model on your mobile devices, and they have shown how this model works. It uses the Qwen or Vision language encoder, and it has run on iPhone 17 Pro without any cloud, fully locally on custom device, and it was capable to achieve image generation as well as you can easily edit the image without any human involvement, like a human, not cloud involvement. You can easily use this. And as compared to other existing models which are approximately huge in size, as compared to this model is performing pretty well with just 0.39 billion parameter models. Accuracy has also achieved pretty well in various fields, image edit, gedit or geneval, as well as the parameters is also pretty much low. Now let's talk about number 4, 3D SVG. Basically, you can easily use this GitHub repository and convert any type of SVG with submachine vector graphics, and you can easily use to generate a 3D models. Like for example, you can see on your screen example they have shown in an image. There was a 3D vector graphics of cloudy icon, and it was capable to achieve a 3D model, and you can easily use this model in 3ds, and they have provided this type of stuff. And now let's talk about number 5th, which is basically Caveman, a type of library or a GitHub repository which can be optimized to use for reducing the token cost which you used for any type of LLM models. And you can easily boost the speed of your model by running this using Caveman if you're running any type of model locally, and it can easily reduce up to token cost which is required, which is used in a cloud code or codex where the token consumption is very much huge problem. Caveman can be easily resolved, and it can easily reduce the number of the token usage. That is completely insane, and that makes this model completely powerful. Not a model, but a GitHub repository, like a orchestration. It works to resolve the errors, and it can be easily used to reduce the token cost, which is definitely completely insane. So yeah, these were the 5 top GitHub repositories of the week. I hope so you love this video. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell icon. See you next another video with latest topic. Bye bye and take care.